Hi, this is Rick Patterson with the Handyman Toolbox. Thanks for coming to my video today. Well, today I am in the big middle of doing a bathroom remodel in my own bathroom of all places. So you know me, I'm particular as always, and I want to get things right and done right the first time. So today I am replacing the innards, that's a southern term, the innards of a bathroom exhaust fan. So what I've done is take the old one out, and I went and purchased at the hardware store a replacement kit. So all this is, you see here, this has the plug-in, okay, the body, the fan itself, and the lips all the way around four corners, except for this side now. What I've done here is just flatten this out because my space inside the box, being an older box, is quite wider. So I'm going to modify this a little bit, widen this up and give me some strength, and then what I'll do is tape it off with some duct tape. Now, not the ordinary duct tape, but stay tuned. You'll find out here real quickly. Okay, so we're going to start with taking off the fan cover. So it's got a screw in the middle. There we go. Now it might be stuck, so you're going to have to use a pliers, or as I mentioned, this is a great tool to have around. It's an all-in-one. I'm going to simply just sit this up in here, see if I can peel it away. And there we go. Alright, so remove the cover here. Now the secret to this is to unplug the outlet. Okay, so I had to put some extra light up here because it's a black interior and you couldn't see what's going on. So now I have the insert, so I'm going to go off the back of this wall right here and then work my way forward. So what I did was I fed the plug-in, the plug, and I'll go ahead and insert that now. Make sure that's fully taken care of there. And this box does move some, so I'm going to take advantage of that. Make sure everything is snug and that there's no instance for it to fall down or anything. I'm going to go ahead and make sure that I haven't crimped the fan itself. Now, if you notice, I've got about a finger's width, half an inch of space there, and I do not want this to just blow and then blow back out. So I'm going to use some special kind of what I call aluminum duct tape. So I'm going to get a couple of my links here. I'm going to go around this 2 times. The nice thing about this is it tears off real easily, and it's got a sticky side to it. So just to where you can see up here at this length, it's kind of tricky at times, but you just peel the back part of this like so. Now I do not, I do not want to do this all the way, pulled it off until I'm ready. So guess what? I'm ready. All right, so there's that layer. I'm going to put one more layer up against here. Do the same thing, just pull off a length that I need. Have to balance myself a little bit because I'm on a ladder. Holding on with no hands. Look, Mom. Okay, this time I'm going to do a little bit different. I'm going to go ahead and peel this off. And you can tell automatically this is why I don't ordinarily do it. But I'm going to fold it right here, make a couple of places to where I can fit this in correctly. I'm going to go ahead and fold it in half. So as I insert it, then I can push up against this wall as soon as I can, which I just did. So I secured it there. And now I've got a really great seal to where it's now not going to blow back on top or out of the unit itself. Now, just for security's sake, I'm going to go ahead and make some little small strips like so. And because I'm not securing it with any screws or anything like that, I want to make sure that it does stay up and there's no accident of it falling or no chance of it falling down. So I'm going to stick some tape to it there. Now if you want to, you can just use self tapping screws and go directly into the sides. But in this case, I am very sure that it's not going to drop out on left or right. And then I'll go ahead and seal up inside here on this wall. This wall's pretty tight, and the side towards me's got the little pin still sticking out. So you'll see when you do this yourself, you've got little pins that are there. And I'll go ahead and secure this again, hitting the wall first, like so, and then just taping this up. Make sure that you press all the way around to know that you've got a good seal. Okay, so we turn on the fan. I do feel a little bit of a leak and I want to get this as tight as I can. So I'm going to go ahead and just not going to cost any more. I'm going to go ahead and seal up this far side that I did not seal up earlier, and then we'll put our grill on. So I'm going to do the same thing. Just going to peel this off. Slip this inside, put it down on against the wall first, then just seal it up so I don't have any air coming back on me. All right, let's try it again. Much better. So I'm going to leave this like just like this, a very powerful fan. Now let's go ahead and put on the grill. Now the grill, of course, is just like so. And oh, you know what I did? I covered up the holes. That's funny. So let me take my all-in-one and open that back up. That's hilarious. I didn't even think about that. And the cool thing is, when you do something like this, then you can correct it really, really quickly. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side, just to make sure that it goes like it's supposed to. When you're doing your own DIY stuff, you got to make sure that you're, it's okay to be flexible, and it's a good thing that you are flexible, because you don't want to get all bent out of shape. Because I tell you what, doing this kind of work, if you're not easy going. You'll either quit and hire a handyman, or you will do like I'm doing right now and just be versatile. It's okay. There's no biggie. Okay, so now that I've done this, so what you're going to want to do is, these are two clamps, and they're springs, and they're spring loaded, so there's a slot up here for you to place those in. Like so, and the way that they're bent with the circles right here, they catch inside that little channel that you're going to slip this inside of, so it won't fall down on you. Okay, now we're finished there. Simply push that up and we're good. Little adjustment, I want to do some painting here in a little bit just to make sure that everything's the way it's supposed to. Let's test it again.